Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about a back brace that's also a waist support belt as well. So it's a back brace, waist support belt all in one. It helps relieve lower back pain, it rounds the shoulders out, sciatica, scoliosis, herniated disc, or degenerative disc disease. This is meant just for a support system. It is not meant to cure whatever is ailing you. So if you have a run-of-the-mill back problem, which is what I do, and I also have a torn rotator cuff, this actually works perfect for when I'm doing anything as far as going to the gym, or if I'm moving furniture or anything like that. It just gives that extra oomph. And they come in all different sizes to fit everyone. So just when you check it out, make sure you get the right size. This one is a large, and I am 6 foot 225, and the large fits perfect. So yeah, it comes with the directions on how to actually put it together. I mean, it comes all strappy, but then once you get it on, then all you do is really put it on like a tank top and then Velcro that belt or the waist area down. One of the best things that I like about it as well is that it is FDA approved. It's a medical grade device. It's this nice mesh, so for the summertime or if you're sweating, it's breathable. It breathes right through. It's very, very light. You can wear it on top of your shirt, or you can wear it underneath, depending on what it is that you're going to be doing. These are the people who make it. I don't know how to actually say their name, so there you go. ZSZBACE or OE, whatever, but that's what it is. It's right there. If you just type that in, you'll be able to find it. I've had other back braces before, some that is just this area, and then from my shoulder I have a shoulder piece that looks similar to this, and it goes around my chest to keep my shoulder in a place for anytime I'm doing any kind of sports. So I'm digging that this is a one and all piece right here, and especially during the summertime, how it breathes. So it really does improve your posture, because once you put it on, it doesn't constrict you, but it does keep you standing up straight. So that's part of any back problems as well. Yeah, it looks great. Like I said, you can wear it underneath. It reduces a bunch of your slouching pretty much immediately, because as soon as you put it on, it kind of feels like somebody's giving you a hug from behind and they're just holding on. So it does feel good. It feels immediate. It makes you feel like you can pick up a couch, but still be careful, because like I said, this is a support system. That's what it is meant for, to give you that extra little bit of time in case something does slip. Gives you that time to recover. It does realign your spine and reduces that back pain. Improving that posture almost immediately is perfect, and I love that. You can tighten it as much as you want to fit you, or you can have it a little bit loose, but you don't want to cut off a bunch of circulation. It's not like it's a girdle or anything like that. If you have shoulder injuries and neck injuries, it does help with that as well. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and show you how to put it on, what it looks like. So yeah, so here we go. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so now we're going to be putting this on, and as you can see, the straps that go around your back actually go through this little loop here on your waist, and then once you get that put on, then it's always going to just be fitted towards you. So basically, you're just going to kind of put it on like a shirt. So it goes around your shoulders just like that. And then you're gonna grab the two pieces that comes around the waist, cinch it together, and then there you have it. It sits on. This is what the back looks like. And then if you need to adjust it, then you can grab these and then you can adjust. That's gonna be pulling. See how it pulls around that shoulder, because you can adjust it to where it needs to go to. Same thing on this one. And that's why that loop was there. So you're gonna go around here, and then you can adjust it for your waist, whether you go up or down depending on your height. And you can wear it either with your clothes, with top of your shirt or underneath it. The way you clean it is just hand wash, normal warm soap water, let it air dry, rinse it out, and you're good to go. So there you have it. You have the waist, back support, shoulder support system all in one, very lightweight. The mesh is breathable, and I absolutely love it. So there you go. Thank you guys. Y'all have a nice day.